guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an employment visa, or you can say work visa, to Ireland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in order, uh, in front of you, I have opened Department of Justice from the Government of Ireland site, and we are going to walk through the process. All right. So when it comes to employment visa, the very first thing is like you need to get your permit from Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment. This is quite normal, whatever you say, because even in Canada, when you come, you have to apply LMIA, right? So it happens. This is absolutely okay. Now, how to apply? So with Ireland, again, like how to apply varies on location. For example, if you are in India, so some steps are outsourced to VFS. So this is their online system where you're going to fill the application details and then print, and then you have to go to VFS to submit it. So I have opened Ireland and India VFS site, but based on your location, it could be different. So first you need to select the visa type, then these are like Irish official sites. There you have to um, we have to fill the visa application form, you have to print it, and then again there's a checklist and there's a supplementary form that also have opened that you need to bring, book an appointment, pay fee, and visit uh, visa application center if you go. Okay. The fee is also given here. All right. All right. So we'll walk through one by one. I have opened everything that is required. We'll go for this. But before we go for that, what are the documents you need apart from that permit? Two color size photographs, not more than 6 months old. You'll have specifications here. You can check it. Current passport and a full copy of all previous passports. Signed application letter, of course. Employment permit that we spoke about above. Contract of employment letter from employer in Ireland. Evidence of qualification. Finances. Previous visa refusals, if any. Medical and travel insurance. This also we have seen. Now let's go to document checklist. Oh, I have opened it here. Uh, Here, yeah, sorry. So photograph, okay. Then complete in full. Summary sheet, okay. Payment confirmation. Two color passport photograph, okay. And all other things that we had covered there. Medical travel insurance. So we have seen this. And then your son visa application center sign, they will do, and this will go for our embassy. That's fine. Supplementary personal and family details, okay. Education, employment, family details, Irish employment details, okay. And they need some additional documents also. Employment letter, payslip, tax out from applicant. Perfect. Financial documents, all they have given it here. Like what are the in the supplement form. So you need to carry this as well. Okay. Now the main part. Yes, this online system. Okay, click on continue. Okay, you need to accept this. Again, I will not be filling this application full, but I can give you an idea. So very first, and you need to fill this as per your case. I'm just doing it sample and I'm not gonna submit it. What is the reason? Okay, you need to select whatever is applicable. I'm just selecting this. If this is applicable, you're gonna select this, whatever. Long stay, multiple, purpose of travel. I'm leaving it because not mandatory, but you should do it. Why would you leave it if you have? This is our normal passport, ordinary passport, your passport number. Just have this sample, guys. Make it as per your passport, how it is. Oh. Hmm. Oh, you want to enter and leave Ireland. Okay, I thought it was passported, but enter and leave Ireland. I really apologize for that mistake. I'll go for November 30. And then let's say 2 years you are going for. So I'll make it 2025. This December 31st. Okay. Ah, it's okay. You have to fill as per your case, not just surname, forename, date of birth. Do it as per your case. Okay. Everything should be as per your case. Not this is just sample and this do not belong to any living person. Current location, current address. I'm just writing sample, guys. Do not. Length of residence in present country. How long? So let's say number of years. Let's say how long? 1990 I select, right? So if you haven't gone out, then it would be 33 years, right? So I'll put 33 years. Number of months, let's say two, whatever. I have not calculated exactly, so you calculate and then do. You have permission to enter the country after staying in Ireland? Yes, because you are a citizen. A resident for required permit? No. Why wouldn't you? You can checklist. You can checklist for biometric exception. I have already done that, but you can check. Have applied for an Irish visa before? I select no. Have you ever been issued with Irish visa clearance before? I select no. Please provide location transaction number. Okay. If yes, then have you been refused before? I select no. If yes, then you need to provide details. Have you been in Ireland before? I select no. Do you have family members living in Ireland? I select no. Do you have refused permission to enter Ireland before? I select no. If a deportation order before? No. Have you refused visa to any other country? Be very careful when answering. If yes, provide yes. If no, then do no. Have you ever been refused entry, deported, overstayed permission, or otherwise leave any country? Whatever is applicable, do. Have you have any criminal conviction in any country? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide. And then we'll go for next page. Okay. Issuing authority type, country or nation that issued the passport. See, they have given help link also there, so you can get. Now this is your passport expiration. I select first passport. If you select no, they will ask more details, previous passport also. But I want to make it video simple, so that's why I'm doing it. But if you have previous passport, select no here and then provide the details. Are you currently employed in your country of residence? I select yes. Now they will ask the employer details. But I'm selecting no because I don't want to provide these details, but you should definitely provide. Are you currently a student in country of residence? No. But if you are a student, you'll do yes. That depends on based on purpose, whatever. Okay. Then 7 continue. Will you try for other person, business colleague? I select no, but if you're different like family member or group, provide that information. Okay. Your ability contact host in Ireland. Contact phone. Person known to you, example family friends. I select no. Address line. Oh my God. I'm just putting sample guys. Not following up. Spouse, partner status. I select single. Children details. I select zero. When there's no partner, no children, right? Now approval number. I don't have this, so I cannot proceed further from here. But you, when you have, you can provide the information. Next, they will ask you insurance and some other questions, and then it will be done. So that's how it goes, guys. And I hope you like this video. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.